You absolutely need to hear this. One access control system that can tackle campus violence, fix factory security loopholes, and bring order to chaotic logistics hubs? Sounds impossible, but it's not. Introducing the ACTi Access Control Server. Today, we're revealing how this powerful solution offers an unbeatable price, over 50% less than Lenel, with zero maintenance fees. Get ready to witness a game changer in physical security. First, let's talk about one of the most impressive features of ACTi, the eMap. This interactive map lets you monitor security points across various environments in real time. In education, security managers can view access events at classroom buildings, dormitory entrances, and admin centers. In factories, personnel can instantly locate issues at production zones, warehouses, or control rooms. For logistics, dispatchers can monitor access status at shipping zones and loading docks with just one click. The operation is simple. Navigate to the map module, select a floor and a device, and instantly view its camera stream. This drastically improves response times and investigation efficiency, something traditional systems can hardly match. 2. Main content. Feature 2. Video verification for access control. Next up, video verification. With ACTi, every access point can be linked to a specific camera. In schools, when a student enters a dormitory, a live video pops up to confirm their identity. In factories, workers entering restricted areas are cross-checked via live feed to prevent badge misuse. In logistics, managers can validate drivers entering the site, complete with video proof. All you have to do is configure which doors link to which cameras. Once set up, every access event is accompanied by a real-time visual confirmation, strengthening transparency and security. Now let's move on to attendance. ACTi allows educational institutions to track staff and faculty attendance with auto-generated reports. In factories, attendance records link with shift schedules and trigger alerts for anomalies. In logistics, operations teams can streamline labor tracking without relying on paper records. Setup is easy. Configure shifts and rules on the attendance page, and the system generates everything automatically. HR and managers can view reports anytime, eliminating human error and manual work. Lastly, tailgating detection. This is a must-have for high-security areas. Whether it's a restricted lab at a school, a hazardous zone in a factory, or a sensitive warehouse in a logistics center, ACTi detects if more than one person passes through a secure door without proper authentication. Just activate tailgating detection on the desired access points. The system automatically triggers alerts and video capture when tailgating occurs, helping you avoid serious liability and unauthorized breaches. These 4 features alone surpass many so-called premium systems. But here's where it gets better. ACTi Access Control Server is over 50% cheaper than Lenel and comes with no annual maintenance fees. For system integrators, this means greater margin, less hassle, and faster deployment. Compared to Lenel, ACTi gives you superior flexibility, broader use case adaptability, and a far more attractive total cost of ownership. Whether you're managing security in education, factories, or logistics, you now have a smarter, leaner, and more powerful choice. Still paying too much for a rigid and outdated access control system? It's time to switch. Contact us today to experience how the ACTi Access Control Server is redefining smart security. Want to see more scenarios and real-world walkthroughs? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Don't miss your chance to transform your security operations.